Welcome to this video, guys. So in this video I will quickly show you how you can build a website using Hostinger AI generator. So we are going to use AI system to develop this website, and as fast as we can. So basically we are not going through the process of doing the UI UX design on Figma and then now exporting it to Elementor before we start developing the whole system. So basically what we'll be doing here is simply using Hostinger AI to actually develop this site. So it will be a very fast one. So without wasting much of your time, the things that you actually need for this particular job actually. So if you want to quickly build a website for yourself, maybe you are not a website developer or a designer or something of that nature, and you quickly want to get your portfolio sites, maybe you are a website designer and you don't have the funds to actually hire a developer to develop your site for you or something of that nature, or you are a carpenter, a photographer, I don't know, just mention your skills and you quickly need a website for yourself. So basically what you can actually do is to get a hosting from Hostinger or any hosting platforms that we have out here. We have a lot of them, but I simply find Hostinger very easy to use. Kind of the user interface is very friendly, everything about it. Kind of they have a very good dashboard that you can easily navigate instead of seeing the old cPanel that you actually see a lot of stuff that you get confused along the way, how you can install WordPress and so many other stuffs, right? So here they made everything so easy for you, and you you just simply get a domain from them, and you buy your hosting plan. Maybe you are using a premium hosting or business hosting, or I don't know, just any one that you feel like you want to get from them. Simply go get it from them. So we have a lot of hosting platforms like Bluehost, Emotion, Instance Server, HostGator, GoDaddy, and the rest of them. So, but like I said, I am not saying that you have to get this to actually follow through this tutorial, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using Hostinger. So if for any reasons, just for the reasons I just gave you, if you feel like you want to you want to get hosting from these guys, which is the price is absolutely good for what they are actually offering for you. So if you are a small business owner or just a freelancer and you want to get your portfolio sites out there, I would advise you to get from these guys, right? Just get from these guys and you can actually use them to develop your sites. So without me wasting much of your time, let me walk you through the dashboard, and then we simply develop the site as fast as we can. So you can see here, this is the dashboard, and this is how everything looks. So the moment you can see here, I'm on the home tab here, and I can go to the website and you see the websites that are there. So just simply click on this website, and then we see websites that is on this account. So basically we only have two websites, which is Daily Photography and Crafty Entertainment. So you can see this is dailyphotography.co.uk, and we have craftyentertainment.co.uk. So basically these are two clients from the UK. So this core here that you see here, this is for when we installed the site kit. So site kit basically is for Google Analytics. So you can see your website performance and stuff like that. So basically this is just out of the scope of this tutorial. So we can go to the home page, and I'll simply show you how we can install the websites WordPress actually using Hostinger AI. So basically, so if you've already purchased your domain, so you can see here I have 3 domains here. This is the domain I want to install WordPress on. So basically you can see that the domain will be expiring on the 11th of I think on the 8th of November by this year 2024. So I will click on this manage, so that we can quickly install the uh, WordPress on this domain. So basically I'm going to click on this manage here, and okay, so just yeah, so it's going to pop up all the features for this domain. You can see this is showing domain portfolio for serenaonline.com. So basically what Serena Online is all about is Serena Online offers services like video editing, content management on your blog or your website, and also uh, basically just all about content and video editing, right? So basically that's what they offer here. And Serena Online is on Fiverr, so they offer their services on Fiverr. So the client actually wants his website, his portfolio website, to be up. So basically we purchased this domain, I think last year, 2023, by November, and now you can see it to be expiring also this year, November. So you can see now this is how everything looks. And what Hostinger actually does for you is put you through a walkthrough process. So you can see after you've purchased your domain, now asks you to create your website. So you can see build your website easily and share it with the world. So after you've done that, it's going to prompt you to actually get a professional email address, which is actually advisable. So if you don't have an email address for your business, even if you are a freelancer, if you don't have an email address, a professional email address, I would advise you to actually do that. Get it for your business. Is very, very important, because there are some sites that you might want to register, I don't know, any service, or you want to verify anything, and they'll ask you for a professional email address. So your conventional email address is like the normal Gmail, Yahoo Mail, that's Ymail, Hotmail, all those ones. They are good actually, but you can just use them for personal reasons. But anything regarding your business, you should take it serious and get a professional uh, email address for that. So basically you should actually do that. Maybe after this video you can rethink it and get your professional email address. So now we are going to go through create your website. I'm going to click on get hosting, or of which we've already gotten a hosting, which is a premium plan. So I'm going to click on get hosting, and it should prompt us to two things. Maybe we are going to install using yeah, so you can see, are we, like, it's asking, do you want to create or migrate a website? So basically we want to create a website instead of migrating, because we're not migrating from any hosting platform to this platform, or from this platform to other hosting platform. So basically we are going to create a website. I'm going to click on I will create a website and click on next. So after that, so we can do this by installing WordPress and then building the site, or installing a theme or something like that. But I don't want to stress you going through all those processes. I just want to show you a process that you can actually get a website as fast as you can, maybe in the less in 30 minutes or 20 minutes or thereabouts. So I'm going to click on this create and publish a unique website in minutes. So choose the type of website you need, describe it in a few sentences, and let the AI take care of the rest, right? So basically let's just get into it so that you see how it actually works. So I'm going to click on Hostinger website builder, and you can see here it says that it is beginner friendly. It's absolutely beginner friendly. So if you're not a professional in developing WordPress website, you can go through this process. I'm going to click on next, and so you can see it's asking for a domain, right? So it's asking for a domain that you point to, so that you can develop maybe the website that is being developed should be targeted towards that domain name. So we have a domain name here, which is Serena Online. I'm going to click on Serena Online, and it's going to verify that. So, and click on next. Yeah, so after this, the AI is going to ask us a few questions, and then we are going to continue with the whole process, right? Okay, so now you can see the AI is asking us to start creating. So you can see Start creating. Welcome to hosting our website builder. Let AI create your site or your website in minutes. So click on start creating. Yeah. So basically, this is how the process works. Very, very simple. So you select your website type and we continue with the process. So you can see this is a template actually showing you what you need to do. So you can see it's asking us website type. So basically, you select the type of website and then you select your brand name, and you can see describe your project or brand in a few sentences. Include what colors and fonts you would like to use. So basically, this is very, very self-explanatory and very, very easy to actually do. So you can even get templates basically. So you can see here is saying that after you selected all of this, maybe you selected your business type. So let's see. So what type of website that you want to create? Is it a portfolio, a business showcase? I don't know, anything. Maybe even if it's a landing page, you can actually do that. But for this process, we want to develop a portfolio site for Serena Online. So we'll select portfolio, and the brand name is Serena Studio, I think. Yeah, Serena Studio. So basically, this is basically the name of the brand, Serena Studio. So now okay, so okay, asking, yeah. So you can see we are a marketing agency based in London, and our team of experts has more than 10 years of experience and is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. Use blue color for the website. Okay, yeah. So but let's make ours a bit different. Let's make ours a bit different. So you can say B uh, content agency based States. Yeah, based in the United States. We offer services, uh, video editing, video editing, or blogs, right? So we should be more specific, right? We should be more specific with the way we create. You can see great description. So when you are more specific, you allow this AI to develop this portfolio tailored to services or whatever thing that you actually do. So basically, this is from the description of the client, basically what the client actually does. So for you as a professional web developer or a web designer, you need to know what prompt to actually add up to the AI to give you what you actually need, right? So basically, this is what I'm doing here, and go through the process, right? So and also you ask the the client, right? What colors do they actually prefer or do they use for their brand, right? So if they now say okay, they've not chosen a color for their brand or they don't even have a logo, right? So you can even go through the process of picking a color for their brand and also a font for their brand, right? So as a professional in web development or website design, you should be able to know how to pick colors and also how to know what type of fonts to actually use for any project, right? So basically, this is what this is what I want to do here. So content creation for blogs and SEO or search engine optimization. So search engine optimization, right? So because Anybody that's creating content on the internet should, as a content writer, you should be able to incorporate SEO into your content writing, right? So that whenever you write, it should be optimized for search engines, so that your content can rank. So your client will also know that yes, they can trust you for any project that you're actually offering, right? So okay, yeah. So basically, we can say use. We can say use following following follows. Or we can say use. Let me put this off. Okay, so I want to make sure that what we are doing here makes a lot of sense. Let's say use green, comma, lights and black as the color brand, or as the brand color, right? You can interchange it like that, so it makes a lot of sense as a color brand. And use Poppins. Actually, Poppins is very friendly. So Poppins is a sans serif font, and you can actually go for the development process, right? So we can actually even change this, but Poppins should be like kind of the base font actually. So we can change this later on. Use Poppins as font type, right? So this should be it. So we can now prompt this, and then we'll just send this to like we can say create a website, right? So create website for this. I think the description should be okay like this. So now you can see the AI is getting its things done. So basically we fed the AI um, with enough description for it to go through the process, and also um, experimenting, making sure that everything is coming up in place, right? So you can even add making the design modern, right? And understand, make it fully responsive, of which it's going to make it responsive, because all of these things are things that you need to put into place when developing your website. So as a web developer, if you already understand all of this, you should be able to use AI to make your site come to life, right? You should know what to prompt this AI, so that AI give you whatever thing that you want to do, so that when you're doing some final touches, because AI will not be perfect. So whenever you're doing any final touches, it shouldn't be something that's very difficult, right? So maybe you should just make some little changes to fit to your main design or something. But if you are not a professional in this field, so doing all of this shouldn't be difficult for you, right? You should be able to describe your business and use Hostinger AI to build your site, right? So we are going through the process of allowing the AI to build the site. So we're back when the AI has done all of its stuff, right? Okay, so basically this is what the AI has come up with. So you can see Selena Studio, Home, Portfolio, Service, and Blog. You can see how awesome this actually looks. So elevate your brand with expert content marketing solutions, right? Transforming ideas into engaging videos and compelling content. So basically, I think this AI has done a lot here, right? So you can see projects after this, like basically this is what a portfolio website is all about. After the hero area, so you can see from the navigation to the hero area, and the next thing is to show the projects, right? So project that you've actually worked on, you can see video editing, and then content should be next, right? So yeah, you can see content should be next, and then it's talking about your expertise, your experiences here, our work experience. And basically I would say that this AI has done a great job, right? It has done a great job. And you can see how the header is actually looking. So the header is like, it's awesome, right? So basically what I'm going to do with if I'm developing this site with WordPress and Elementor, this is what Hostinger AI has actually done for us here, and you can see as fast as little as even 30 minutes, right? So we've actually come up with a very good template. So basically what we can actually do here is to make some little edits, like changing the content here. You can see basically this is not our like contact information, so we can actually change all of this and then um, run some updates on Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, and also X. So you can see all rights reserved, footer, everything is looking so awesome, right? So um, basically, if I think this is just it and how we can actually do this with Hostinger AI. So if you feel happy and you want to try out this Hostinger the AI system to actually build your site as fast as you can, I will be leaving a link in the description where you can simply click and get Hostinger for your business, your portfolio, even if you are developing for maybe clients or anybody, right? So you can simply do this for your clients and you can actually do this for yourself, right? So you can click on that link and then go get Hostinger for yourself. I recommend Hostinger. Like, get Hostinger. It's very, very awesome, right? So you can use the AI system and you can see what the AI system has actually done here. It has done a very, very great job developing this site for us. And the next thing that we actually need to do is to do some little edits, actually changing some images. If you have image of your videos that you've like actually videos that we've actually my client has edited, we're going to upload all of those images here, and I'll be creating another video to show you all the full edits of what we've created here. So I'll be editing the full site in the next video after I've compiled all the necessary information, like thumbnails for all the videos, some text actually to revamp the site, and some content. If the client actually wants content here, we can put some content, services that they offer, and every other thing, right? And the site is fully responsive on mobile and on desktop. So you can see this is the mobile version of the site, how it's actually looking. It's a very, very awesome stuff, right? So I can maybe make some little touches here and there, and even change the way the logo actually looks. Maybe just write some few touches, right? So guys, thank you for staying till the end of this video, right? So if you want to learn more about WordPress and how you can actually develop sites, or you want me to develop your site for you, I'll be leaving contact details, video playlists for you if you want to learn WordPress for absolutely big for if you're a complete beginner, right, and you want to learn WordPress, things that you actually need to know. I'll be leaving that in a playlist. And also, if you want to hire me to work for you, I'm open to work for you, right? So basically, that's why I'm here, actually, to share what I can do and let you know that this is actually possible. Even if you don't have the money to hire a professional to do it for you, you can do that for yourself. So I will see you guys in the next video. Watch the full edit video in the description, and the first link in the comment, and other important resources, right? So thank you. I'll be seeing you guys in upcoming videos.